Si AZ na ibahagi naman ang karanasan sa kanyang naging relasyon.
3 years na po kami magkakilala. Nag-start kami as best friends. Within the 2 years, naging kami po. And bago po ako pumasok dito, medyo on and off na po kami. Ilan beses po kami nag-break. Nung birthday ko, which was a week before ako pumasok dito, nakipag-break na po talaga siya. Kasi ayaw niya po na pumasok po ako dito. Wala naman relasyon na perfecto. Pero gusto ko lang yung relasyon na nakakaintindi sa mga gusto kong gawin. May times po kasi kuya na nararamdaman ko na nahu-hold back ako. Dahil sa relasyon namin, ramdam ko na ang dami kong kailangan i-let go or hindi gawin. Dahil masyado lang ako tutok sa kanya. And same din po para sa kanya. Ginawa niya din yun para sa akin.
Habang si Charlie ikwinento ang isang malungkot na storya ng pag-ibig sa kanyang buhay.
There are so many ways for your heart to break. My parents have been separated since 2015. Me and my dad, we haven't talked since 2023. I'm not the best daughter, I'll admit that. And my dad actually lives around Cavite. Since he lives closer, it could have been nice po to see him more. But my dad doesn't really want to see us lang na parang kakain. Gusto niya agad-agad pupunta kami sa bahay nila, which is with his girlfriend. And my mom doesn't want that pa. I understand my mom. And then at the end of everything, I said to him, parang, Dad, I love you, but this is becoming a big emotional disturbance to me. And I have to just block you. So I blocked him. I just needed that peace. It was the hardest thing I've done in my life. But syempre, I chose it. I have to face the consequences. But there was peace. And my mom was okay. So I chose it. Naging okay ako, sige. But it was so hard. Who wouldn't want better memories with their dad? I mean, like, as a daughter, of course. But, wala akong choice. Yun na yung nangyari din eh.
Charlie, batid kong mahirap para sa isang anak na mahati sa pagitan ng dalawang pusong hindi muling magsasama. Mahirap mang pagdugtungin ang pusong hindi na magdurugtong, pero hindi mawawala ang kakayahan nitong magmahal. Imposible man na mabuo muli ang puso ng iyong mga magulang. May bahagi ng kanilang puso ang naiwan sa iyo. Nasigurado ako, both your parents are